Anchovie, welcome to my channel. So now that I'm spending a lot more time at home, I've been cooking, baking, and also being obsessed with the Dalgona coffee. I've been drinking it every single day. If you guys haven't heard of it, it's this really viral coffee drink from South Korea named after the Dalgona candy because it tastes like it. So I'm going to share with you how to make the Dalgona coffee, and also for those people who don't really drink coffee, I'm going to share with you 3 different Dalgona recipes, and I'm sure you're going to find your new favorite drink. So let's get started. We're gonna start off with the Dalgona coffee, which is this delicious whipped coffee that is surprisingly simple to make. The ingredients are instant coffee, milk or your nut milk of choice, sugar, and water and ice. We're gonna start off by adding the instant coffee, sugar, and hot water in a large bowl. You can use a hand whisk, but that's gonna take forever, so I'm using an electric mixer to whip everything up in a minute or 2. You'll see bubbles begin to form, and the mixture will start to lighten in color slowly as it thickens and transforms into a wonderfully light and frothy mixture. Keep mixing until the Dalgona is a nice caramel color and you can create stiff peaks. Then you'll know it's done. Add some ice to a glass. Pour in your favorite milk or plant milk. I love using oat or almond milk. Then generously top your drink with the frothy whipped Dalgona mixture. Add a reusable straw, mix, and enjoy. It's so easy to make, you can whip it up in a few minutes. And I love that it looks like a cloud floating on top of the milk. The next Dalgona recipe is the Dalgona chocolate, which is perfect if you have kids who can't have caffeine or if you don't really like coffee. The ingredients are milk or your favorite nut milk of choice, sugar, cacao powder, heavy whipping cream, and some water and ice. In a large mixing bowl, add the cacao powder, sugar, and whipping cream. Use an electric mixer to blend all the ingredients together for less than a minute. I found that whipping cream whips up really fast, so make sure to stop as soon as it gets to a Greek yogurt-like consistency. If it does get too thick, no worries. You can just add a little bit of milk and whip again until it's the perfect texture. Add ice to a glass. Pour in regular milk or your favorite plant milk. Then add the whipped chocolate mixture generously on top of the milk. I garnished the drink with a chocolate truffle to make it extra fancy, or you can dust a little cacao powder on top as well. Stir it all together and enjoy the chocolatey goodness. So the third Dalgona recipe is the Dalgona milk tea. I'm a huge fan of bubble tea, so I definitely had to incorporate it into these Dalgona recipes. Let's look at the ingredients. Get milk or nut milk of your choice, milk tea powder, which is in the Asian market in the tea section. I picked the flavor milk tea, but there's like matcha milk tea powder, taro milk tea powder, just pick the one of your choice. And then these are tapioca pearls. And this is the multicolored one because I love color. Heavy whipping cream, and then water and ice. Drop a handful of tapioca pearls into boiling water. Stir occasionally and cook for 2 to 3 minutes until it's squishy and floats. Strain and rinse the tapioca pearls under cold water, then set aside. Add milk tea powder, sugar, and whipping cream into a large bowl. Use an electric mixer to mix all the ingredients together for about a minute or until you can create stiff peaks. Add the tapioca pearls you had prepped earlier into a glass. Isn't colored boba so much more fun? Drop in some ice cubes, then pour in milk or your favorite plant milk. Then top with layers of frothy whipped milk tea on top. I like to garnish with a few tapioca pearls for some extra flair. Stir and enjoy the whipped Dalgona milk tea. The bubble tea lover in you will not be disappointed. I can't wait to experiment with different bubble tea toppings like pudding, popping bubbles, red bean, and herbal jelly. There's so many options. And ta-da! So here are the final Dalgona drinks, the Dalgona coffee, the Dalgona chocolate, and the Dalgona milk tea. They're all topped with frothy whipped goodness and you're bound to find your favorite flavor. So now is my favorite time, which is tasting time. Starting off with the coffee. I already mixed it a little bit. It's like an elevated coffee. I love how light the whipped texture is on top. So good. It is like the perfect summer drink. Next is the Dalgona chocolate. And I topped it with a little bit of a truffle to make it extra special. All right. So it's like chocolate milk, but it tastes a little bit different. I don't know if you remember like those chocolate ice creams from like ice cream trucks. Almost like a chocolate marshmallow flavor. It's really good. I bet kids would love this. Okay. Last but not least is the milk tea one. Make sure you get a straw that's wide enough for the bubbles, like a bubble tea straw. Whoa. So it does taste like milk tea, but the flavor, once you whip it, it's almost more like caramel. If you like other milk tea flavors, definitely try like matcha tea powder or Terra milk tea powder. I can't wait to try some other versions of like milk tea. But this Dalgona milk tea is bomb. Love it. So I'm super curious. Let me know which flavor you're dying to try out, or if you've already tried, let me know in the comments below which is your favorite flavor. I'm planning on doing some Dalgona matcha recipes next, so if you have any flavor ideas or even food video requests, let me know in the comments below. As always, thank you guys so much for watching, and if you like this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and click that notification bell so that you'll be notified as soon as I post the next one. Until next time, bye guys!